In the vast, frozen stillness of deep space, beyond the warmth of our sun and the grasp of its planets, a lone spacecraft continues its quiet odyssey. This is Voyager 1, an aging yet resilient traveler, and the most distant object ever created by human hands. Over 24 billion kilometers from the Earth that gave it life, it remains in motion, still whispering back to us through the cosmic dark, sending signals that defy time, distance, and expectation. Voyager 1 was never supposed to last this long. Launched in 1977, it was built to explore Jupiter and Saturn over a planned mission of just 5 years. But this modest probe, assembled using 1970s technology and fueled by a dream of discovery, has far surpassed its intended lifespan. Along with its twin, Voyager 2, it has become more than a scientific mission. It has become a story of human persistence, a drifting archive of Earth itself, and a messenger to the stars. The timing of the mission was no accident. Voyager 1 launched during a rare planetary alignment, one that occurs only once every 176 years. This unique celestial configuration allowed it to harness the gravitational pull of the outer planets like stepping stones, gaining speed through a series of slingshot maneuvers known as gravity assists. Though it launched after Voyager 2, its trajectory was faster, allowing it to overtake its sibling and reach Jupiter first in 1979. What it found there was astonishing. Voyager 1 sent back images of Jupiter's swirling storms and revealed a discovery that shocked the world: active volcanoes erupting on its moon, Io. This was the first time volcanic activity had ever been observed beyond Earth. Just a year later, the spacecraft swept past Saturn, capturing detailed photographs of its majestic rings and identifying previously unknown moons orbiting the gas giant. After Saturn, there were no more planetary targets. The mission might have ended there. But Voyager 1 did not stop. It kept moving forward, outward, toward the edges of the solar system, into territory no spacecraft had ever dared enter. To understand where Voyager 1 is now, we must consider the heliosphere, a vast, invisible bubble formed by the solar wind and the sun's magnetic field. This bubble surrounds our solar system and protects it from the more intense radiation of interstellar space. The edge of this bubble, called the heliopause, is the final boundary, the limit of the sun's influence. Beyond it lies the true cosmic ocean, the space between stars. For decades, scientists wondered what Voyager would encounter when it crossed that threshold. Would radiation from distant stars rise sharply? Would the magnetic field twist and turn? Would the plasma, the ionized gas of space, change in strange and unexpected ways? The world got its answer on August 25, 2012. That day, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause. It entered interstellar space, making history as the first object to do so. Its instruments recorded a spike in cosmic rays and denser, colder plasma, a clear sign it had left the sun's protective bubble. Yet curiously, the magnetic field around it did not shift in direction as expected. This puzzling result hinted at a more complex, perhaps layered or warped boundary, one we still don't fully understand. But the surprises didn't stop. In 2024, Voyager 1 detected something remarkable: a continuous, low-frequency hum. These were plasma waves, ripples in the interstellar medium. They proved that the space between stars is not a quiet, empty void. It pulses with energy and memory. These waves are likely the echoes of ancient supernovae, remnants of long-dead stars. This was the first time humanity directly measured the active dynamics of matter in deep space, unlocking secrets, and somehow, incredibly, Voyager 1 is still alive. Its heart beats faintly, powered by a generator that converts the heat of decaying plutonium into electricity. As time passes, its power supply dwindles, and NASA's engineers have had to make hard choices. One by one, they've turned off non-essential instruments to preserve energy. In 2022, a software fix was beamed across space, taking over 22 hours to arrive, just to recover lost communication. The spacecraft's voice is now faint, distant, and fragile, like a whisper across a canyon nearly 50 billion kilometers wide. But Voyager's message is more than scientific data. It carries within it one of the most poetic creations ever launched by humanity, the golden record. This gold-plated copper disc holds the sights and sounds of Earth, a greeting to the cosmos. It contains music from different cultures, the laughter of a baby, the crashing of waves, animal calls, and spoken messages in 55 languages. It includes scientific diagrams, images of life on Earth, and even brainwave recordings meant to convey human thought. It is a time capsule and a declaration. A message that says, simply, we were here. We lived. We wondered. Even if it is never discovered, its existence is a profound statement of who we are. Eventually, Voyager's journey will become silent. The decaying plutonium will grow too weak to power even a single instrument. Its antenna will stop transmitting. Its memory will freeze. Its voice, our voice, will vanish into the cosmic background. But the spacecraft itself will continue, gliding silently through the interstellar dark, following the laws of momentum with no destination and no return. It will not stop. It will become a drifting monument, a ghost ship from a forgotten world, sailing the black tides of the galaxy. Long after the Earth has changed, after cities have turned to dust, after oceans have shifted and civilizations faded into myth, Voyager 1 will still be there. Alone, intact, unchanged. Maybe, one day, it will pass close to another star system. Perhaps intelligent beings, biological or artificial, will detect it. Maybe they'll capture it, examine it, wonder who made such a thing, and why it was sent. They may discover the golden record and hear the sounds of a distant, ancient world. They might hear a thunderstorm, a heartbeat, a child's laughter, the languages of Earth. The message, we reached for the stars, and even if no one ever finds it, Voyager's purpose is already fulfilled. It has crossed the threshold of our solar system. It has entered interstellar space. It has carried the light of human curiosity farther than anything before it. It stands as proof that we dared to look beyond our sky and send a piece of ourselves into the unknown. Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a symbol of curiosity, of resilience, of imagination. A reminder that exploration isn't just about new frontiers. It's about what lies within us. The endless desire to know, to reach, to remember, and to be remembered. It is a silent ambassador of Earth. A cosmic witness. It has entered interstellar space. It has carried the light of human curiosity farther than anything before it. It stands as proof that we dared to look beyond our sky and send a piece of ourselves into the unknown. Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a symbol of curiosity, of resilience, of imagination. A reminder that exploration isn't just about new frontiers. It's about what lies within us. The endless desire to know, to reach, to remember, and to be remembered. It is a silent ambassador of Earth. A cosmic witness.